Hi everyone, it's Hayley from Funds and Forex, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about downloading the MetaTrader, which is the trading platform, onto your phone. When you register with a broker, what they will do is they will send you your login information for you to link your broker account to the MT4 trading platform. So ideally it would be best to get your broker first, but if not, you can download the app, but then you will need to obviously link it to your broker. So what you would do is, once you download the app, which you can get from your app store, it's absolutely free, you simply click on it, and at the top, at the time when you download it, it won't obviously have your name in. You would literally click at the top and you need to press the plus sign for a new account. And if you have already got your broker account set up, you click on log into an existing account. And this part is really important. So with your broker, you will have a server that your broker will be linked to, and it's important that you get the server details correct, otherwise you will not be able to log in with your username, your ID and your password. So in your emails from your broker, it will give you your server name, and you simply type it in here, search it, and then when the right one comes in, it has to be exactly the same. You click on it, and then it'll let you put your ID and password in, and then you connect, and that's it. That's you all done. But I will do another video to talk you around obviously how to use this and how to enter trades, but that is literally what you'd have to do to get the MT4 on your phone. It's Hayley here from Funds and Forex, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview on using MT4 on your phone. Now, depending on what phone you've got, this may be laid out slightly different. But when we open MT4, we've got our dashboard at the bottom here, and on settings, you can see at the top, it will have obviously your account name. So once you've got your broker account, you've linked it to the MT4 on your phone, it will show your account at the top. Now this is where you would need to go as well if you had more than one account and you wanted to say flip between your live account and your demo. You simply just select whichever one that you wanted. Now we're going to start on the left here, and we've got quotes. So this is where you will find your currency pairs, commodities and stuff like that. If it hasn't got what you are looking for in this list, you need to add it to the screen. So you simply go to the plus sign at the top. You find what you're looking for. So we might want to do Forex minus. And say I wanted to have Euro Swiss franc. I simply press on the plus sign. And what it does is it adds it to the bottom of the list. Now, as you can see, we've got advanced and simple. And literally advanced just shows you the spread and simple doesn't. So it's a little bit clearer. Moving on to chart. This obviously tells you at the top what currency you're on right now. To change that currency, you simply go to quotes, you select whichever one you want, keep your finger on it, and you press chart. As you can see, that's changed. And on the top left, we've got the time frames. So we can have a little look around there just by simply selecting. You can also zoom in and out when you're doing your analysis. And then at the top here, we have our cursor, which if I was, say, trying to mark up some support resistance, I can pop it on and it shows me where price is. You've got indicators, which we generally don't use, but in the Academy, you will find out more about indicators, and obviously you can select them from the lists that are provided. No battery. And then this one, we have tools. So this is where we would draw our support and resistance lines, our trend lines, Fibonacci, and you simply just select and drop. And you just highlight it, drag around. If you want to lock it in, you press it, and that's it. If you want to delete it, you just select and you go to delete. If you can't say get it on the price you want, because sometimes it can be really tricky to get it exactly where you want, you just go to properties and you can type in the price on this part here. You can change the color of it. And then also on this is where you would enter trades, more than likely on this page. There's a few different ways, but it would normally be here. So I'm going to do another video about obviously trade types and how to enter them. But that's where you would go to press your trades. And then on this screen, this is where if you're entered into a trade or if you've got any pending orders, they would show on this screen here. And also at the top, you can see you've got your balance, your equity, your margin, but all of the current trade information will be on this page. You can also enter a trade by going to the top there as well. And then history, obviously, speaks for itself. This is where obviously all your past trades will show up. So you've got your date, any trades that you've closed today will show here. You can look at how much you made that week, that month, or you can customize it so you can obviously have a period of time. And I think that's pretty much the main things that you would need to know right now. And I would just say when you've got a demo, just play around. Like, don't be scared to just play around and enter trades and mess around. But there will be, like I say, another video I'm going to do that's going to explain your trade orders. So I hope that helped, and as always, reach out if you have any questions. Hi everyone, it's Hayley here from Front and Forex, and I'm just going to talk you through entering a trade using your MT4 on your phone. So once you've obviously done your analysis, you know whether you're buying or selling, you've done your risk management, you know where your stop loss is, and you take profit, you're pretty much ready to enter your trade. So make sure you've got your right currency there that you want to trade. Press trade, and it'll bring the trading screen up here. Now you've got different order types. So market execution, if this is selected, it means if I press that buy button right now, it's going to buy me in at this price. If I press the sell button, it will enter me in at this price. Wherever the price is, as soon as I press buy, it will enter me in straight away. You've got a few other order types which will be taught in the academy, but this is where you would find them. So if you wanted to buy limit, obviously put your price, your stop loss, take profit, and that means that order will be in there waiting. It won't be triggered instantly. You will not be in the trade instantly, but you're telling MT4 that you're waiting for price to get to a certain place, and once it does hit that place, it enters you into the trade. So that's where you find all of that. Once you've obviously done your risk management and you know what lot size to use, you can change your lot sizes by just pressing through the digits here. And you can either, if you're doing a market execution and you want it in now, so you don't miss the price by putting in your stop loss and take profit digits, I always recommend, just getting in your trade. If you see prices where it's at and you want to be in, you get in. So whether it's a buy or a sell, you press it. And then once you've entered a trade, you can then edit your stop loss after. So like I said, you can do it this way, but if you want to get straight in, which I've already got a trade in now just to show you, you simply hover over it and you go to modify. And then you would literally put in your stop loss, you take profit and press modify. And that's it. So if you wanted to close your trade early, whether that's because there's a news event and you want to get out quick, or whether you were happy at where it was, you simply go to the trade screen, you press down, and you then select close. And you can literally watch it in real time moving up and down, and wherever the price is, you just press close. Now if you have got any swaps in, it won't show up in this price, just to make you aware, but that's how you would close it. Just press close. And of course, if you wanted to modify it, change your take profit, change your stop loss, you just come back in, change the digits and press modify, and that's all done.